Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the game and choosing the session you want to use for world events. Once loaded, open the world map immediately and filter for active events. You do this because the map shows spawn points and timers so you can plan travel. Once done, note event difficulty and distance, then mark the nearest active event with the beacon. Make sure to check the top right HUD too, since some events pop up off-map and are tracked there. You now move to the event marker and prepare to join. Travel fast or fly directly and pick a safe approach so you meet teammates alive. Once close, use the squad beacon or quick join option to ensure you're grouped, and check the event timer and specific objectives because some require escort or defend tactics. While en route, change your loadout to exploit enemy weaknesses, assign roles if in a group, and position for the cleanest entry to minimize respawns and wasted time. You complete the event by following the final objective and cleaning the zone. Once the last enemy falls, collect your loot and watch the mission log for reward rolls and reputation gains. After claiming rewards, check the map to predict the next spawn or rotate to another active event so you keep farming. If events aren't appearing or timers are wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Leave the session and relog or switch session type to force a new instance, which usually resolves spawn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.